everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video. And today is the 22nd of March and it's the release of Sleeper's new album. Well caught, Martin. Their first for 20 odd years. Bit of background: this was originally launched on Pledge Music, through which I ordered the Pledge exclusive red vinyl edition, signed CD and handwritten lyric sheets, and I chose In-Betweener for that. As you may be aware, Pledge Music has all gone tits up. Some people are fulfilling their orders, some people aren't able to. Sleeper aren't able to. They've encouraged us to seek refunds. It's not going easily. I've basically written off that money. If it ever comes back, so be it, but I don't think it will. They set up an exclusive section of their website where Pledge people could reorder what they'd originally ordered, which is what I did. I had already ordered different versions through their website, so I've got 2 boxes here, multiple copies of the album. Let's get cracking. The lyric sheets weren't available to reorder. However, they did post something the other day that they are going to try and honour the orders of those, so I don't know what's happening there, but I may eventually get the lyric sheet. So, I suspect this is the second. Yeah. Let's see what we've got here. So this is the Pledge order. So we have the CD, signed on the inside there. Sleeper, one of my favourite bands. I was in the fan club in the 90s. I've mentioned in other videos, I never quite got to see them for various reasons live when they were first going. But since they've reformed, I saw them 3 times last year. I'm going to see them again on Thursday, which I'm looking forward to. The singles from this have been good, and the tracks they played live last time I saw them I enjoyed. I think one of which was one of the singles. They might have been both the singles. You know, it's all a bit of a blur afterwards. Okay, then we have 2 copies of the vinyl, and let's see which is which. Okay, so as you can see, signed on the front there. There's the back. Inner sleeve, and this is the exclusive red vinyl. That's nice, red vinyl edition, slightly opaque, so that must mean that this, I've signed in different places on this one, same grouping, but you can see the placement of people's signatures is different. So then this should be the black vinyl, which I'm guessing, yeah, everything else is identical except it's on black. So this will be my playing copy. I might spin the other 2 as well. Probably not. And yes, I did say other 2. Because then we have this box. Try and get into. Ooh. So also in here will be the first single from it on vinyl, which came out January, I think it was, but because I ordered it at the same time as the album, They were only dispatching everything together. It was a bit of a bugger, but never mind. In here we have t-shirt. Nice long sleeve one that will be worn on Thursday. And then we have a cassette. Can't remember if this was signed or not. No. Got that for completeness really, so I've got it on every format. Okay, so that's a single, Look at You Now. Again, nicely signed. And the B-side is a live version of In-Betweener, and that is on a nice solid white vinyl. And then, again, signed copy of the album. And this one, well, they're calling it cream vinyl, but that looks white to me. But yeah, another very nice one. Should also have a A2 poster signed coming, but that isn't with this. I'm guessing they've sent that separately in a tube, so it'll probably come tomorrow. I'm not planning on uploading this until tomorrow anyway, so fingers crossed I'll be able to add that on. So if I have, you'll see me now. If it hasn't, awkward edit, I will post a link to a picture of it. Probably will be the easiest way to do that in the comments below. Yes, so looking forward to giving that a listen. As I say, I'm going to see him on Thursday, so I need to hit that album a few times. So I'm familiar with the new stuff. Yeah, excellent. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you on another video. Thanks, bye.